Now, with that, let's get you more breaking updates coming in. The Congress and the Samajwadi Party have issued a three-line whip to all the Lok Sabha MPs, directing them to remain present in the House from 11 a.m. onwards until adjournment for the next 3 days. So the parties have said that very important issues would be taken up for discussion, and instructions have been given to all the party MPs to be present. So it's a whip that has been issued by the Congress party as well as the Samajwadi Party to all the MPs to be present in the Lok Sabha, saying important bills are going to be taken up for discussion. So MPs must be present in the assembly. So this is the indication that has come in from both the Congress as well as the Samajwadi Party to the MPs. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, we've seen multiple disruptions, but important bills are going to come up in the parliament. What are the details of the whip that the Congress and the Samajwadi Party have issued, asking the MPs to be present?
Well, this is a three-line whip which is being issued by the Congress party as well as by the Samajwadi Party, as they have asked all the member of parliament to be present within the house for the next 3 days, as this has come amid the reports regarding the government's planning to bring in the delimitation as well as the FCRA bill in the parliament. And for that reason, now all the opposition parties are also trying to stack up the numbers in particular, because these whips have also been issued not just by the Congress party but also by the Samajwadi Party, as the number game is very much important this time. We have seen that how the delimitation bill was being opposed in the last parliament session in the month of April by the entire opposition, as they had stood united over this particular matter, as they had stated it very clearly that the delimitation bill is not going to be in favor of the many of the southern states, and that is the only reason why a united stand was being taken. But this time, if we talk about the numbers in particular, then it has changed a lot. Many of the MPs have already joined the NDA. In fact, the position of the DMK is also, we have seen that as they have been quite upset with the Congress party's decision of allying with the TVK. All of these are also going to be a very important matters for the entire India bloc to keep the flock united, and that is the only reason why they don't want to take any kind of chance, and that is the only reason why this whip has been issued by the Congress and the Samajwadi Party for the next 3 days.
Okay, all right. So the numbers are going to be very important, and the opposition leaders have been told very clearly all MPs have to be present. And the opposition is also strategizing on how it is going to take on the government. In fact, in breaking updates coming in, the opposition India bloc is set for a show of strength in the parliament today. Leaders of the India bloc parties will be meeting at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber at 10 a.m. followed by a protest at Makardwar at 10:30 a.m. The opposition is demanding a statement from Home Minister Amit Shah on the issue. Remember, there have been protests inside and outside the parliament over Amit Shah. In fact, the opposition leaders have been demanding his statement on the police action in the national capital. So, Niyamika, today it's going to be about the numbers. Like you said, the NDA has also stacked up the numbers, breakaway factions of the TMC and the Aam Aadmi Party, but the opposition has also made it clear that it also has numbers on its side, because for any legislation to pass through, the government will need two-thirds majority. So, what are the details of the strategy of the opposition camp in taking on the government?
Well, for the delimitation bill, the government is going to need a two-thirds majority, as it is basically a constitutional amendment, and that is the only reason why it is very much important for the entire opposition to keep the flock united. This is the only reason why the whip has also been issued by the Congress party and the Samajwadi Party, because now we have seen that already there are so many breakaways faction who have joined the NDA from the TMC, from Aam Aadmi Party. All of this is a very concerning point for the entire opposition as well. However, the DMK stand is not yet clear that whether they are going to be with the India bloc parties or they are also going to neutralize their stand. All of these matters are also expected to be discussed in today's meeting, which is going to take place at 10 o'clock in Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber, as it is being told that not just the delimitation bill but also the FCRA bill is also going to be taken up for discussion in the India bloc meeting, that what actually is going to be the stand of the opposition parties. They are very much clear that they are going to oppose this bill, but there are some viewpoints, different viewpoints, which are also expected to come up. Whether the opposition is continue to raise the demand for the Home Minister's statement within both the houses, whether they are going to continue with this protest both inside as well as outside the protest, or they are going to take part in the discussion if this FCRA bill is going to be tabled by the government of India. So all of these points are going to be taken up in today's meeting, and after that at 10:30 a.m. there is a protest at Makardwar once again for demanding the Home Minister's statement regarding the police force usage against the protesting students.
Okay, so the opposition has been united. There should be a statement from Amit Shah, and there have been protests inside and outside the parliament over the same. We have more breaking updates now coming in of the Congress MP KC Venugopal giving an adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha over the Ram Mandir donation embezzlement case. So, Niyamika, over the last few days, the opposition leaders have been united in their demand. In fact, there have been disruptions in the parliament as well. Now, the Congress MP KC Venugopal are giving an adjournment notice over the Ram Mandir issue. So, is that going to be the next issue that the opposition is going to focus on?
Well, in the last week as well, we have seen that there are two important points which were being raised by the opposition parties. One is for the demand for the Home Minister's statement, and another that the government needs to clarify that what actually they are going to do for the Ram Mandir donation embezzlement row. As for that reason, we have seen that how in the last week also many of the opposition leaders have moved the adjournment motion notices, and that is what we are witnessing today as well. It is the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. KC Venugopal, who has moved this adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha demanding a discussion regarding the Ram Mandir donation row. We have seen that how in fact the leader of opposition have also written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There is a continuous demand which is being raised by many of the opposition party leaders that the government needs to give a proper reply, whether it is the Prime Minister or the Home Minister. They need to explain that why this entire donation scam had taken place in Ram Mandir, and what actually the actions which have been taken by the government of India regarding this matter, as they have been continuously saying that the action which is being taken against those who have been involved in this case, those are just the small fishes, and the big fishes are still running away. They are not being named anywhere in the cases which have been registered. So all of these issues are going to be taken up by the opposition parties once again, and in fact the protest which is going to take place at Makardwar, it is possible that this particular issue of Ram Mandir is also going to be raised.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with all those details. A lot expected in the parliament. We'll come back to you, Niyamika, for those updates through the day.